Hello, my name is Debbie Lowe. I'm a nurse practitioner from Gadsden, Alabama. I found Empire while scrolling on the web, and it has been a great experience from start to finish. Dr. Stahl and Dr. Smith, they really get you involved hands-on. You will know the pain show is what I'm attending this time, and I can give the injections, and I feel more comfortable with hands-on injections for the trigger points in the different areas of the body. I have enjoyed this show. They're very knowledgeable, and if you don't understand anything, they don't mind answering your questions. They give you full understanding. They will demonstrate until you are fully aware of what you're doing. They will not let you leave the pain show without feeling more comfortable taking care of your patients and treating all different kind of pain areas: low back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain, foot pain. We just covered hip pain, and it's all been very exciting and very rewarding to learn from Empire. It's been a very successful journey that we've been on these last 2 days, and we're very knowledgeable when we leave the pain show. Hello, my name is Debbie Lowe. I invite you to join the Empire Medical Training.